The landscape of performance marketing for pool builders has shifted, and it's now working in your favor. Today's homeowners research with intent, compare options, and demand rapid responses. Consequently, businesses that align intent with speed, precision, and personalization are winning more bids at a reduced cost per lead. Rather than relying on intuition or outdated strategies, leverage artificial intelligence, AI, to pinpoint high-intent local demand, direct every click to the appropriate message, and qualify prospects in real time. PoolLeads.ai is designed for this precise moment, offering a comprehensive lead acquisition approach: attract, convert, and automate. This is achieved through its AI visibility system and tiered monthly packages that integrate SEO, automated social media content, intelligent chatbots for lead capture and qualification, AI-based analytics and intelligence reporting, and targeted paid media. This system scales effective activities and eliminates waste. Before altering campaigns or budgets, establish the money map that guides profitable growth. Begin with cost per lead, CPL, and connect it to your close rate, project size, and lifetime value, LTV. This allows you to determine how much you can afford to spend on traffic while still meeting your margin targets. Track customer acquisition cost, CAC, across all channels and compare it to your return on ad spend, ROAS. This insight reveals which strategies yield the most profitable booked projects, not just form submissions. By combining disciplined measurement with intent-driven targeting and rapid lead response, you create a powerful feedback loop. Each improvement compounds, leading to lower CPL, higher ROAS, and a more predictable pipeline month after month. Industry benchmarks from advertising platforms and home services marketing analyses consistently show that intent combined with speed outperforms volume. By pairing local search authority with compelling offers and responding in under a minute using intelligent chatbots, you can achieve double-digit increases in conversion rates while filtering out unqualified prospects. PoolLeads.ai hardwires this approach, aligning budgets with search intent, equipping your website with an always-on assistant, and implementing robust tracking to provide penny-level visibility into your CPL and CAC across all channels. A strong foundation minimizes waste before you even spend $1 on traffic, and an AI checklist ensures each step is repeatable. Define your ideal customer profile, ICP, and service radius to ensure your copy, offers, and bids attract the right homeowners, not just any homeowner. Build a fast, mobile-first website with a single, clear call to action on each page and provide solid proof of your craftsmanship, timeline adherence, and budget transparency. Implement airtight tracking with Google Analytics 4, GA4, CRM capture, call tracking, and UTM parameters so that every click, chat, and phone call is accurately attributed and scored. To understand performance marketing for pool builders better, consider this helpful video from Cody Sanchez. It offers valuable insights and visual demonstrations that complement this written content. Clarify your ideal customer profile, ICP, and service area boundaries. Craft a core offer, design consult, 3D concept, or price range estimator. Launch a fast, conversion-focused landing page for each core service. Set up Google Analytics 4, GA4, Customer Relationship Management, CRM, call tracking, and urchin tracking module, UTM, tagging. Complete and optimize your Google Business Profile, GBP, with reviews and photos. Install intelligent chatbots for lead capture and qualification on key pages. Publish service area and project type clusters for search engine optimization, SEO. Build paid media campaigns around high-intent search themes and remarketing. Automate social media content to showcase builds, FAQs, and testimonials. Establish a testing cadence for offers, headlines, and lead forms. With these fundamentals in place, compounding wins become visible and repeatable. Your conversion rates will improve because the message and offer align with search intent. Your ad auctions will cost less because your landing pages are more relevant. Your sales calls will become more efficient as the chatbot and forms handle initial qualification. PoolLeads.ai provides these capabilities through its suite of services and tiered packages, eliminating the need to manage multiple vendors or guess at priorities, allowing you to scale with confidence in your data. Achieving organic visibility begins with topical authority. In the pool industry, this means creating service area pages, project type hubs, and educational content that addresses every question a homeowner might have before requesting a quote. Think of it as building your digital showroom. Provide specifications, timelines, budgeting guidance, permitting steps, and design options. When these assets are interconnected with internal links, enhanced with schema markup, and supported by consistent reviews on your Google Business Profile, GBP, you expand your reach across hundreds of long-tail searches, attracting high-intent visitors to your site without ongoing pay-per-click, PPC, costs. Complement organic growth with precision paid media to capture immediate demand while your content strategy builds momentum. Prioritize high-intent search campaigns where query themes indicate readiness, such as gunite pool builder near me, lap pool installation cost, or luxury pool contractor Scottsdale. Utilize granular ad groups, specific ad copy, and site links that mirror your landing pages to boost quality scores and reduce cost per click. Then, build remarketing campaigns targeting fence sitters with design galleries, financing options, and scheduling prompts. PoolLeads.ai's AI-based paid ads playbook for high-intent local leads combines search granularity, audience insights, and creative testing to reach qualified homeowners at the precise moment they are ready to engage. As results emerge, allocate spend to the most effective campaigns and feed those successes back into your SEO and creative strategies. Ads that attract the best leads today can inform tomorrow's high-ranking pages, and questions asked in chatbot conversations can become new articles that capture more intent next month. PoolLeads.ai automates the cross-channel handoff, using AI-based analytics to forecast which strategies will meet CPL targets while protecting profit. Leads are secured within the first minute, and intelligent chatbots for lead capture and qualification make that minute count, even when your team is occupied. A well-designed assistant uses natural language processing, NLP, to greet visitors, answer common questions, and guide prospects through a smooth qualification process that captures budget range, project type, zip code, and timeline. Instead of a generic form followed by a delayed response, the assistant can book a consultation, set expectations, and send notes directly to your CRM, ensuring your sales representative is well informed upon arrival. This streamlines the process, eliminates back-and-forth communication, and maximizes the effectiveness of every ad dollar spent. High-performing offers include a free 3D concept sketch, a price range estimator, or a 15-minute site readiness call. Conversion boosters feature before and after galleries, transparent timelines, and financing options prominently displayed. Trust signals incorporate licenses, warranties, review snippets, and recent project counts near your call to action. Friction reducers include one-click calendar booking and text message follow-up within 60 seconds. Consider an anonymized PoolLeads.ai client, a regional builder specializing in premium custom projects with a long sales cycle. By implementing a pricing estimator and an always-on assistant that qualified leads based on design scope, budget band, and zip code, their landing page conversion rate increased from 9% to 18% in just 6 weeks. Because low-intent inquiries were filtered out and ready-to-buy homeowners booked directly to a calendar, the client's CPL, cost per lead, dropped by 32%, and the sales team reported higher close rates with less wasted follow-up time. Multiplying these gains over a season, minor adjustments to the on-page experience can fund significant upgrades. If you don't measure it, you can't scale it. Build your analytics stack with precision, structure, and leak-proof integrity, much like you would build a pool. Configure Google Analytics 4, GA4, for essential events, map form and chatbot submissions, and integrate UTM parameters through every ad and social link. Connect call tracking and your CRM to associate keywords with conversations and revenue, then visualize performance by city, device, and creative. With a clean dataset, you can confidently forecast cost per lead and customer acquisition cost, CAC, predicting next month's results rather than reacting to them. Now, enhance your capabilities with AI-based analytics. PoolLeads.ai models seasonality, search interest, and lead quality patterns to suggest where incremental spending will yield the best ROAS, return on ad spend, and how offer adjustments will impact conversion rates. Maintain a simple testing cadence, one landing page change, one creative test, and one audience refinement every 2 weeks, scored by Impact Competencies, ICE, to ensure your team invests time where the upside is greatest. Over a quarter, this rhythm generates compounding gains, leading to the desirable outcome of lower CPL at higher volume. Whether you build 5 projects a month or 50, the path to consistent lead flow follows a universal playbook: capture intent, deliver relevance, respond swiftly, and learn transparently. For new builders, early success comes from focusing on a tight geographic area and specific project types like lap pools or plunge pools. Established firms have the opportunity to expand their digital authority into neighboring towns and promote higher margin features such as spas, water features, and custom decking. By aligning your talent, equipment, and scheduling realities with your offer strategy and media mix, you ensure your marketing efforts match your production capacity, protecting both your margins and your reputation. Here's a 30-60-90-day focus for different scenarios, with target CPLs. New builder in a competitive metro. 30-day focus: launch offer-led landing page, Google Business Profile, GBP, and intelligent chatbot. 60-day focus: start high-intent Google Ads, advertising, and remarketing. 90-day focus: publish 6 service area pages and 3 project guides. CPL target: $120 to $160, decreasing as pages rank. Established firm expanding territory. 30-day focus: duplicate best landing pages for new cities and neighborhoods. 60-day focus: layer data-driven budgets by zip code and project type. 90-day focus: automate reviews and social proof in new markets. CPL target: $80 to $120 with stronger local authority. High-end custom builder. 30-day focus: elevate creative, add a design consultation offer, and qualify budgets. 60-day focus: build long-form galleries and editorial content targeting luxury queries. 90-day focus: refine retargeting with financing and premium material showcases. CPL target: $100 to $180 with a higher average order value. PoolLeads.ai supports each scenario with AI-powered SEO to enhance organic visibility, automated social media content to maintain brand presence, intelligent chatbots for instant lead capture and qualification, AI-based analytics and tracking to guide spending, and AI-driven Google Ads management to capture in-market demand. The result is a repeatable acquisition system that replaces guesswork with actionable data, reduces wasted spend and effort, and enables pool businesses to scale by converting intent into booked work. As market conditions evolve, you'll possess the data and tools to adapt quickly without compromising your brand or craftsmanship. The right strategy not only reduces costs but also secures your calendar with qualified work. When your marketing aligns with homeowner intent and your response is immediate, you win the conversation and, ultimately, the contract. This is the promise of modern, AI-guided performance: a more stable pipeline, a less stressed sales team, and healthier margins, all powered by a system that continuously learns and improves. Imagine the next 12 months with clear, unambiguous tracking, predictable CPL, cost per lead, and a calendar filled with the right projects in the right neighborhoods. With every campaign feeding insights back into SEO, content, and chat, your marketing transforms into a flywheel that accelerates with each rotation. What would your growth trajectory look like if every visitor encountered a helpful assistant, every click was meticulously attributed, and every offer precisely matched local intent across performance marketing for pool builders? Explore these authoritative resources to delve deeper into performance marketing for pool builders. Pool Builder Marketing, Las Vegas, Nevada, Effective Web Solutions. Pool Marketing, Web Design / Reputation Management / SEO. Scale Performance Marketing with PoolLeads.ai Chatbots. PoolLeads.ai's intelligent chatbots qualify high-intent local leads 24/7, helping pool builders, pool contractors, and pool company owners convert more consultations and reduce cost per lead within weeks. Book a strategy call. This content was optimized with SEO Pro AI, AI-powered SEO content optimization platform.